This spinner might be just a tad bit.
I got a great one.
No, it's about.
I think this is yours, but
Huh?
it's been on.
One just like that.
Yeah, I think this one is yours.
No, it's not. Look.
Are you sure? Oh shit! Yeah, you do. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Well, that just ain't not. What the fish?
Does that shit to me too. All right, here, brother. Let me get you right.
What the fish is up with that? I gotta retie all my shit on. Okay. Well, that's cool, I guess.
Oh, I have a gun in my backpack, by the way.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a little 22 Magnum.
Well, I ain't gonna do much against a bear, but good to know, I guess.
Well, I don't think you'd run into a bear up here.
Probably not. There's a lot of people.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah. I know once you start hiking up the other way, you can. Like I've seen bear tracks up there. Oh boy.
I want to catch a big fish on this rod. Like even fighting those 15 inches on this thing.
Mm-hmm.
So damn fun.
Yeah.
Being a $10 Walmart rod for 20. Sorry. This thing is awesome.
My dad's buddy caught a pretty nice bull trout last time we floated the river. It's like 15 inches. Maybe 17, I don't know. Somewhere in there. It was nice. Jeez. I think if it was still sunny over the creek, the dry fly would have worked really well, but...
Oh, I saw him popping on top just a second ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what they're eating. Probably
Fish!
they look like pale morning duns.
Oh, what the fish?
Either caddis or pale morning duns.
Gotcha. I had on a mosquito fly. That they didn't want that, I guess. I mean, I guess I didn't really give it a fair shake, but I don't know. We'll see how the old spinner does.
Alright. Let's move along.
Well, it sure does look good.
Down here by the stream. Come up there on
Do we just go down the trail? Yeah.
Someone's been building a bum camp.
Oh, what the hell? That is a bum camp. It's kind of cool, though. Oh. Fish. Plastic door. Fish. God damn.
There's a fish.
Oh, I just had
So it
one.
might mean a little bit of business, actually.
Oh, I almost had one. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll switch spinners. If you got another gold feller.
It might not be gold, actually. It might have like the rainbow pattern on it. I have a brown trout.
That'd probably work. All I know is that guy.
All these fuckers like this up in the drop right. Stop fucking tweaking, you know. I'm trying to save your ass.
Mm.
Oh, well, he looks like a retard now. Oh, he might not be so fun.
No, he swam away. He's good.
What the fuck? I'm all wrapped around my tip. Alright. This is the motherfucking strat right here.
Oh shit, that's genius.
I'm fucking scared how smart I am sometimes.
Something like that.
I have two of these sons of bitches. Maybe I'll have... What the fuck? Trying to grab you the new one.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, baby, that looks good.
That fucking lure's caught me so many fish up to go.
Yep, looks
There's
good.
probably sculpin in here too. That's what.
There is. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I read the species list. They got the
looks
slime,
like sculpin.
the slimy sculpin. Oh.
Oh no.
Catching some certified goddamn Michael fish, dude.
This is certified Michael, correct? This one?
Yeah, I think I had a hit.
Stretch right here. This is my stretch.
Yeah, dude.
I got stacked.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got one.
You do?
Yeah.
Michael
Oh,
fish?
he's
Hell yeah.
that's a certified Michael fish right there, dude.
Is it a brownie?
No.
Oh.
Oh shit. It's really pretty though.
Holy shit, I'm losing my footing. This is Michael Fish Central. Oh, fuck. Oh, here we go. Holy shit, the memory on this line is like no other. $3 Walmart line.
Oh god, dude. All right. Here you go, buddy. Oh yeah. Dude, the fish are really pretty though.
Yeah.
They're tiny, but they're pretty.
Hammered by a little shit. Alright, come on.
Oh yeah, that's the one right there. 20-inch bull trout. Oh shit. Oh, Michael, I see him. I think he's about 20 inches.
More like 10 if I'm lucky.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. He was fighting me, but he's a little shit. Oh, it's a brownie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, it is a brown. That's a pretty one. He's a little more silver than most of the browns I've seen.
Stop squirming.
Holy shit. Oh, you alright?
Holy shit, biggest fish in the creek.
Holy cow, dude, that thing's a fucking monster. What kind is it? What flavor of trout is that?
Rainbow sugar.
Oh, beautiful. Marvelous release. Shit, I'm gonna get past. Oh. Ooh, there's a feather.
I want a cast right over there.
Is this the deep hole you were talking about?
It's past
Oh,
there.
you just fucking smacked me in the leg.
You all good?
Yeah. Oh, oh shit, that one was feisty.
That one was a little better. Made it better.
Yeah, that one was like 6 inches instead of 2.
I know. Oh. I think I was caught on myself. I still was getting by.
Oh shit, that's a nice one.
What? Oh yeah, that's a better fish. Oh fuck yeah.
Dude. Oh shit.
And it's a brown trout.
No, it's a cutty.
It's a cutty?
I think so.
Pretty ass cutty, dude.
Dude, he's super like green and yellow.
Oh, that is a nice ass fish. You gonna get a hold of him?
I'm trying.
You need help?
Nah, I think I got him. Hell yeah, dude, that's a nice fish so far. Please don't freak out while I'm trying to get this treble hook out of your mouth. That would be not good for either of us.
Oh, got one.
Nice.
Oh, not too bad. Not as small.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm trying to help. trying to get it out of your face, dude.
Did he eat it hard?
Yeah. It's like one treble hook's just stuck in him. I know, buddy. Come on. If he'd quit doing that, we'd be probably done.
No, not as tiny as the ones in Oh, got another one. Woohoo! Aw, man. That's rough.
Oh my god, I wish I would have remembered my pliers.
That's not a bad dude for hitting.
No, but he
There he
keeps...
goes.
Oh yeah, sweet. Well, it was a shitty release, but he's gone and I think he'll be alright. That was a nice one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, dude, that thing's fucking tiny.
That's a brownie.
Is it? I was hoping that bigger one was a brownie, but
I thought for sure it was.
I also kind of did.
That nice one you caught, or not nice, but like decent fish you caught out of that like fucking irrigation.
Dude, the cutties they called to me.
Anything small wants me. Oh fuck.
Gonna be alright there, kid?
I'm having a hell of a time right now.
Oh,
What?
big old Michael fish. Just slammed it, missed it. I'm talking 4 inches long at least. He was right there. Is he gonna come back for it? Nope. That's alright. Yeah, he probably is. Oh, there he was.
If I'm not mistaken, down here looks like really good.
Yeah.
I remember being here Saturday and my little fucking going everywhere across the track. Being a dickhead. Oh my fuck.
Somehow that don't surprise me. Jesus, dude.
Holy shit.
Get a hold of yourself. You going up and around?
Huh? No. I'm checking my phone.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. Oh, oh, this rock is so slippery.
I know, I found out. Actually, down.
I think going up and around, it's kind of deep right there.
Oh my god.
This shit looks good, bro.
Someone knew what they were doing out here.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's still one in here.
Really? Upper decky.
Probably should have kept that so you could have thrown it away.
It's still there, isn't it?
It's floating down.
It'll be fine. I'll grab it when I walk past it again.
Okay, that's ahead of that. Yeah, you should grab it. And let it float.
Bro's part of the problem.
Damn you. Put it back.
Uh-oh. First spinner down, question mark? Oh. My fault, OG.
I lost this thing earlier.
Oh, really?
Like in the middle of a pool of a waterfall. And
Oh, gotcha.
it got thrown on the rock.
Oh, I see. Oh, I just had a big ass fish try to eat that. Oh, he got it.
What?
Okay, he's not big, I lied. Oh, it's a brownie.
It's a brown?
Yep. First official brown if I can fucking touch him. Yep. Boom. Beautiful. Marvelous. Perfect. Kind of corner in the mouth. Let's get this first one out of you. Hopefully. Dude, how do they manage to eat it like every time to where like it's so hard to get it out of their mouth? Oh, buddy, you squirmed and put it back in your mouth. All right. Boom. Beautiful. Sorry it took a little longer than I thought it would. Bro, if I ever have any sort of audience, I know I'm gonna get absolutely reamed for not having good fish handling skills. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm just not the goat like that. You know?
I might need some help.
Where is it? Oh, yeah. You're good. Yep. What the hell? I wouldn't think so. Oh my God, the biggest fish ever. Holy smokes. Calm down, calm down, cease. Oh, thank God, just one treble hook. All right. Okay, that was almost bad. Damn, dude. Can't believe we spooked him that fast. Oh well. Maybe if we go a little further down, they'll be ready to eat again. Oh my God, that hole. That's crazy, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I'm telling you, dude, look at that hole.
That is one magnificent. Oh, and there's a good hole below it too.
Yep.
This is magnificent. Oh my goodness. Look at this stretch right here.
This is the best stretch we've seen so far.
This is going to take us a minute to fish, and then we'll go back there.
Yeah.
So this is like, oh, dude. We're going to skip up that.
Yeah. Gonna go right down to there. Oh my God, big ass fish.
How big?
Not big, but you know, big for here. Too close, dude. There's a bunch of them right there. Goddamn bro's high-holing me. And he spooked all the damn fish. I didn't get a single follow. You guys are fucking crazy.
I didn't even.
Oh shit! That's a nice one. Oh God. Cuddy by the rainbow. That explains the jumping. Beautiful. Hell yeah, dude. That looks like the one that was following me. What is it? Oh God. Oh no, you are a cutty. Okay. All right. Beautiful. Awesome. Fuck yeah. Why the fuck do we bother going to other creeks, dude? What the hell? This creek rocks. Yeah, dude, that looked like it was like a 14-ish incher. Maybe? You think so? All right. Well, we look, oh my God. Oh my God, did you see that fish come out of the water? Oh, dude, this is so sick. I'm so glad we kept going. Oh, I got one already. Seems like it might be a little nicer. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not great. Oh God, stop doing that. Give me your face. Give me your face. Jesus Christ. Dude, just... Okay. Thank you. All right, beautiful. Another one. Yeah, get back out there, buddy. Grow some more. Dude, this shit's the bomb. What'd you catch, Callie? Another cutty? Do I have a fish? Oh my God. Dude, that thing was like an inch long. That shit was crazy, bro. I'm excited. Oh, you just got hammered by a big one.
Nice one. Oh my God, look at how pretty he is.
I just caught a nice what was that?
What is this? Oh my God.
Is that a brookie?
No, it's a cutty. Look at how nice he is.
Dude.
Look at how pretty he is.
Oh my God, that's a fucking toad.
Stop, buddy. Oh my goodness, look at the colors on him, dude. Holy
That's
cow.
insane. Hell yeah, dude. That thing's fucking nice as fuck. This would have been a hype hole to fucking fly fish.
It's just getting down
That's
here.
a super pretty male, dude. Oh, it would have been a bitch to get down here. All right, let's
Holy
get a good
shit,
release on that guy.
Gotta make it fast. I lost my shit. Watch out.
Dude, that's a nice one.
So damn pretty, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
He's okay.
I think he's chilling. Yeah, he's fine.
Mountain fish are resilient.
Yeah. Dude, I thought that was a brookie for a second with the big ass fucking orange belly.
Pretty fish. Did you see how hard he was fighting me?
Yeah, dude, that was fucking
I thought
sick.
he was way bigger.
I thought he was bigger too. I thought he was like a 16-incher at first. I saw him eat it and I was like, holy fuck.
He was like 13. He was nice. He came out right from under this rock.
Yeah.
Absolutely hammered. This shit rocks. I love it.
This is the coolest creek we've fished so far. Like,
What other one did we fish?
that actually might be it.
Fish. Fish.
It's fun. It's just, it's a pain in the ass to fish. This is less of a pain in the ass, and the fish variety is way better.
Dude,
cutthroat we saw.
Yeah, that was awesome. God damn, dude. It's making me so sad because I just want to keep going, but
Oh yeah, he's fighting pretty good. What is he doing? There's got to be a big old fish like under one of these rocks, because behind it I have not got yet.
yeah.
I've had a couple takes out there.
Oh, I'm so itchy.
They'll be fine without me. I caught one that survived the dam. Fuck.
Remember when we had to take our limbs out a lot over the long time ago when we swam off? Remember that?
You talking to me or you talking to Michael? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I do remember that.
I'm done. Oh. Oh. Damn it. Damn it. Get off. That's just deep out there too. I don't want to lose the ball.
I did just cast over there and not get hit.
Really?
Yeah. I've casted over there a couple times.
Dude, when that thing's colors were flashing in the water.
I know, it was insane. I know, I saw that.
This shit looks like a oh yeah. Yeah. That was probably way tight.
Oh, yeah.
Well, balls, get ready to go on them. Oh! Oh man, this is cold. Fuck, I don't like this. Oh my god. No. This spinner is not working. Maybe it is. I don't know.
Here, take the line and like
Well, you're already halfway there.
snap it like this.
Hey, well, Kelly, this goes at least up to my hips.
Well, you're
Just keep going, buddy. Just keep going. You're already there.
No, I'm not.
All right.
You're already.
Oh my god, my balls hurt!
Oh my god, dude.
This water is fucking cold!
Dumbass. Oh my god, I just got hit top water. Oh, there he is. Oh, better one. Oh my god, dude, this is as big as the one you caught. Yeah. Holy, dude, this is low-key might be nut. And it's, oh no. He choked it, like choked it. A cutty. No, because it's a female. But she like absolutely fucking engulfed it. Like bad. Oh, come on, dude. You're all right. Come on. Come on. Dude. This would go a lot smoother if you'd cooperate. I mean, I get that you don't want to, and I understand why, but... Good Lord. This is a hard fighting fish. It does not want to be caught. Thank you. Oh, come on. No, not really. I mean, it's like for real gut hooked. Like, if I had a pair of pliers, I might be able to get it, but... No, I forgot them. No, it's not. God damn it, dude, quit doing that. I'm trying to help you. Why do you have to eat it so good? Michael, how good are you at fish surgery? What? How good are you at fish surgery?
I'm very good.
Because this guy just fucking absolutely choked it.
I can save him.
Alright, well, come here.
It might not be the prettiest, but I'll get it.
I feel bad. I absolutely... You just fucking, like, it's all the way down in there, dude. Like, look at that shit, dude. It choked it. I was trying to back it out, but it's not working too good.
Shh, no, come back.
I know. I've been dealing with that the whole time, too.
I don't think shushing a fish will help.
No, probably not.
This is a nice fish.
I know. I don't want it to die, but it's kind of... I mean, I can't...
slippery, too.
I just can't... I can't...
Oh, that is gut hook.
Yeah. Oh, you fucking got it, dude. Hell yeah. I think it'll be okay.
That'll be fine.
I think he's chilling.
I kept him in the water. Or, maybe.
Dude, that was a nice one. That was crazy. It came clear out of the water to eat it. I am a surgeon. Bruh.
I didn't even look. I'm so sorry. Ooh.
Oh, solved itself.